Thieves stole 115,000 worth of iPhones from a customer's car at Bridgeport Village. Well, I want you to take a look at that headline. Wait a sec. What? Okay, no, they didn't steal. Okay, 115,000. Okay, a lot of iPhones. Okay, they didn't steal it from the store. They stole it from a car. Willie do. You're the math guy around here, aren't you?
Some would say.
You're the math guy around here.
I mean, everyone uses Mac.
No, you're the math guy around here. How much is an iPhone cost?
Math. Math. I thought you said Mac.
Oh, Mac. Well, you're both math and Mac. Yeah. You're the math guy. How much is an iPhone going to cost you? It maybe $1,000 or something like that for a nice iPhone. Okay, 115 iPhones in a car. Go on.
What do you want me to say?
If that's your car. I'm just trying to tell you, I'm skeptical. I don't understand this story. The story it seems very straightforward, okay? This car gets robbed in a parking lot of a mall or a shopping district.
Yeah.
Okay, that happens. Maybe inside the car, the person bought a couple of iPhones.
Well, couple.
Yeah, 115 iPhones, Will.
Yeah.
So now you're starting to say to yourself, well, somebody knew. Obviously, somebody knew. And you scroll through the thing and you see some images of the supposed or alleged perpetrators. And apparently, they were following this person around the store. But the person goes to the store, somehow buys 115,000 in iPhones, so 115 iPhones, likely on multiple credit cards, loads them into the car, and then leaves? Willie, do you think there's more to this story? Those two, the potential perpetrators, then approach the car. The guy on the left, supposedly, again, allegedly, smashes the window and removes the $115,000, removes 115 iPhones out the window, while the person that owns the car is back inside the mall or back inside the shopping district. Some
sort of a co-op situation.
Hey, you said it. I didn't say that.
Heist.
You said that. I didn't say it.
Yeah.
What is it? An insurance scam? A credit card scam? I don't know what it is. I can't figure it out. But the way that the article, the way it's being reported here, you even get a line. Where is it? Cooper said surveillance cameras spotted a man and a woman the afternoon of December 8th in the parking lot of the shopping center. He said the pair watched another woman as she shopped in the Apple store and then began carrying merchandise that she had bought to the car, making several trips. She bought so many iPhones, she had to make several trips. Maybe she's a reseller? I mean, Apple doesn't like that. I can tell you from personal experience, I've been trying to buy a lot of iPhones at times. Guy like me. I mean, I have reasons. Obvious reasons. They don't make it easy. It used to be, at least, it was 2 iPhones per credit card and ID was necessary because it's a hot fraud item.
Right.
I remember I had cash one time because I was trying to up the ante. It's actually part of a longer story about a trip to New York and then Chicago. I can't tell you the whole thing. I was trying to do some things, get some things done. Great stories. But I can't get into it today.
No.
One day I'm going to get into it. Today we don't get into it. But here's the craziest part, all right? Apple themselves suggested it's not uncommon for customers to make such large purchases from the Apple Store, especially because Apple released the new iPhone 11 a few months ago. Okay, wait. So Apple didn't say it. Hang on. Cooper said that, not Apple. Who's Cooper? Hold on. Let's just be clear on this. Cooper is the sergeant. So the sergeant says, yeah, that's not the unusual part. The sergeant says, yeah, big purchase. 115,000. I don't know. Something's got to come out about this story. They're looking for anyone who has tips to call the police in that region. You see the original article. iPhone 11 starts at $699 US. We're talking about at least 115 iPhones inside of this vehicle that were left unattended. Now, let me ask you something, Willie Doo. You're out. You're at the mall. You just happen to pick up 115 iPhones. You're on a whim because you would. Because Apple recently launched the iPhone 11.
It's a Tuesday. Why not?
Because it's not uncommon. Because Apple just released the iPhone 11. So it's not uncommon to buy 115. You throw those 115 in your car. Are you thinking, that's good. Click the line. I'm going to go shopping again.
Yeah. That's pretty ridiculous.
You personally, don't you feel nervous if you even leave your laptop in the car?
Of course.
Yeah,
of course.
I'm saying.
Yeah, it's
something more to the story.
I almost feel like there should even maybe an Apple employee.
You know, are you saying inside job? I didn't say it. He said it. Right, because it's not easy to buy $115,000 in merchandise without anybody asking questions.
Yeah, yeah.
Willie Doo, you said it. I didn't.
I feel like there should be a limit.
I feel like the world is ready for Detective Willie Doo, true crime podcast, focusing on theft.
Yeah, stolen iPhones.
Stolen iPhones. I'm curious. I want to see that.